Hey guys, Thespa. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you real quick how cute these little sequin mixes turned out. These little jars I got. So I just took some silver star sequins, some red sequins, and then the little green Christmas tree sequins, and put them in these little Christmas tree shaped glass jars. These are what the jars look like at Target. I just took the little topper out, and this is actually glued in because it's a Christmas ornament and not something else. So I had to very carefully go around it several times, gently pulling on it to kind of break that glue seal. If you pull on it too hard, it will just break the little topper, and then you won't be able to get anything out of it. So you just gently, very gently, carefully, slowly go around pulling on it, and then you can get it out. And then I used a pair of tweezers to pull the little sprig out of the top, and then I was able to put in my own mix, which was some red sequins, some silver star sequins, and then the cute little Christmas tree sequins from Target as well. And I just think these look so cute, and they are perfect for doing swaps or giving away to crafty people. So those are so cute. And then even if you wanted to use that as a Christmas ornament, it's a little bit more sparkly and fun than just this. I mean, these are really cute by themselves, but this is really fun too. So anyway, just wanted to share real quick how cute those turned out. I was really happy with that. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!